we come here, we are for business. When we come here, we don't come here to joke. Praise God. This is our Father's business. The work that you are doing, Bismarck, you get paid at the end of the month. So your boss can tell you anything or he wants. And don't think that because you are the one doing it, nobody else can do it. No. It's an error. When it happened, we thought all hopes were lost. We thought, but God had already prepared. Tell somebody, God has already prepared. Nidi